To transfer XRP from Coinbase to an old wallet, start by opening the Coinbase app and clicking on the Send button. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select XRP. You can scroll down to find it or use the search bar. Once you've found XRP, tap on it, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can enter the wallet address from your cold wallet. Open your cold wallet app, such as a Laser Live app or Treasure, and enable XRP if it's not already enabled. To do this, click on Add Account, select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies, and follow the prompts to enable it. Next, open the XRP app on your device and click on the Receive or Deposit button. You'll be asked to verify your address. So click on Verify My Address and follow the prompts to pair your app with your device. Verify that the address displayed matches the one on your device, and then click on Approval Review Device to get your wallet address. Click the Copy button next to the wallet address, and then return to the Coinbase app. Paste the wallet address into the designated area, and if an XRP tag is provided, paste it into the second box. If no tag is provided, you can leave this area blank. Click Continue, and if a warning appears, click Yes, I'm sure. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer and click Preview. Review the details to ensure the wallet address, network, and amount are correct, and then click Send Now. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully transfer XRP from Coinbase to your old wallet.